The question that we have is e power of 2x minus of 1, e power of 2x minus of 1 divided by e power of 2x plus 1 into dx. Now the question is whether the denominator has to be taken t or the numerator has to be taken t. But if we try to take, for example, let us take the denominator as t and let us try to differentiate that one. So if I try to differentiate, first I need to differentiate this e power of 2x. Then I have to differentiate 1, the constant. Derivative of e power of 2x will be e power of 2x divided by what? Divided by 2. Plus derivative of the constant will be 0. But you have e power of 2x by 2 in the numerator, you don't have. But that what you are having is you are having minus of 1 along with that. So this procedure will not work. Even if I take the numerator also as t, e power of 2x minus of 1, the only difference that you'll be getting is in place of this plus, you'll be getting minus. That's the only difference. Again, that will not satisfy this condition. So this direct substitution will not work. When this direct substitution doesn't work, now the question is what has to be done? So what we have to do is you have to convert this 2x value as x. 2x value has to be converted into x. So the question is how to convert this 2x as x. So the only way is you have to divide the entire expression by e power of x. So divide the numerator and the denominator. Divide the numerator and the denominator by e power of x. So then we'll be getting I is equals to, it is integral of e power of 2x minus of 1 is divided by e power of x whole divided by e power of 2x plus 1 divided by e power of x into dx. Now each of the term has to be divided by e power of x, so I can rewrite this as e power of 2x divided by e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x whole divided by the denominator you are having e power of 2x divided by e power of x plus 1 divided by e power of x into dx. But further, if you try to simplify this one, this particular value that you are having e power of 2x by e power of x value. So it is e power of 2x as it is. E power of x, when it comes in the numerator, it becomes negative power. So whenever the bases are the same, powers can just be added or subtracted. We know this rule. Therefore, e power of 2x minus x will give you x, both in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So hence, you will be getting these particular terms. These two terms will be what? E power of x only minus. Here 1 by e power of x is there. If I take this e power of x in the numerator, it becomes e power of minus of x whole divided by this denominator we have simplified as e power of x plus 1 by e power of x will become e power of minus of x times of dx. But again, we have arrived at the same result, e power only. Now let us try to check. If I take the denominator to be equals to t, will I get the numerator value? Put e power of x plus e power of minus of x to be t, and let us try to differentiate. If I differentiate, I have to get the numerator. If not, I cannot take this t value. Let us try to differentiate. Differentiation of e power of x will be e power of x itself, and differentiation of e power of minus of x will be e power of minus of x into differentiation of this minus of x. Minus as it is, differentiation of x will be 1, right? 1 times of, in both the cases, we'll be getting the derivative as dx is equals to what? Dt. Or further, if you try to simplify, it is e power of x. This plus into minus will become minus e power of minus of x into what? Into dx is equals to dt. So hence, you are getting that numerator value. Now you can go ahead and substitute the t and dt. So hence, we get I is equals to integral of this complete value, the numerator value will become dt. Whole divided, the complete denominator value will become t. So we have got integral of dt by t. But we know the standard formula. Integral of 1 by x into dx is nothing but log of x or log of mod x plus the constant of integration. Therefore, you'll be getting log of t plus the constant of integration c. But what is t value there? T value we have taken it as, you can observe here, where is the t value? Here, e power of x plus e power of minus of x. E power of x plus e power of minus of x plus the constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.